Snow. It is winter. It is cold and it is snowing. We are in the living room. We are looking at the snow through the window. Let's go and play in the snow, says Pinky. No, it is too cold, says Blackie. We can put on our warm coats and boots, says Pinky. I can't run in my boots. They are too big, says Blackie, and he looks at me. I can't run in my coat. It is too long, I say, and I look at Blackie. It is so warm in the living room and so cold in the garden. I see, says Pinky. Don't run. Stand and look at me. My clothes are nice. I can run in my boots and my coat. We can look at you through the window, Blackie and I say. Okay, says Pinky. Don't go. Sit down on the sofa and look at me through the window. So Pinky puts on her warm clothes and boots and goes out. She runs in the snow and she makes a snowman. She jumps in the snow and dances in the snow. She makes a snowball and throws it at her snowman. We are sitting on the sofa and looking at Pinky. Then I stand up, take my warm coat and boots, and put them on. Blackie, I say, put on your warm clothes and let's go out. It is fun in the snow. It is too cold, says Blackie. I don't want. So I go to Pinky. We run in the snow and we make two snowmen. We jump and dance in the snow. We make snowballs and throw them at our snowman. We are having fun. Suddenly, we see Blackie. He is standing in the garden. Look, my boots are not too big, he says. I think I can run. Let's play together. Now we play together and we are very happy.